but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah.
I'm back.
About 4 in the morning.
Hey guys, so I am back. I'm going, yes, say it for me, say it. I'm going to the Chris Brown concert today. I'm missing homecoming for it. I mean, it's alright. You actually have a special guest with me today. Very adorable, and yes, he's part of the family. He's a Williams. Let me show you guys. Breezy, say hi, Breezy, say hi. Look, say hi. He's my fur ball, and yes, we named him after Chris Brown. Breezy.
4 hours later.
It's on the makeup, so let's get to it, girls. Okay, I'm back now. I did my eyebrows and primed my eyes. So I'm still debating if I should put powder on my eyes or not. Kind of like you see me, how I do it, so therefore you should do it too. And so I can pick an outfit what I'm wearing. If I was wearing, it's gonna be like this pink shirt. Super duper cute. I think I'm gonna start with my Morphe 35B. Because I'm gonna be using pink shade, so. Do you know why I've been gone? For no reason. I just have been gone. This looks scary, but don't worry. It's going to get better. I actually had this channel since I was like in the 8th grade. I just have not posted. I haven't posted mine. So, you know the Croc charms you can get on Amazon? Those are like iPhone, right? So you know how like the Croc charms on Amazon look kind of doo-doo, but they don't look doo-doo. Like they're good, but they look kind of doo-doo. It's like Samsung emojis if you get those type of charms, but if you get the ones from the Croc store, they're like iPhone emojis. Yeah. Yes. You must be a mountain because you're hard to get over. Favorite drink from Starbucks? Caramel macchiato. I have a dream one day that I will pass my test. Because I remember my permit test, your girl failed the first time, right? Your girl failed, like bombed it. Actually didn't bomb. I just messed up on the last question and told me the test was over, so that's why I failed. But that's besides the point. I need to make it. But I'm kind of sad that I'm missing my homecoming. But everyone who told me, I was like, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go to homecoming. I'm deciding if I should go to homecoming or the concert. And they're like, oh, go to the concert. And I was like, man, like you right, but then like, I don't know. I just felt sad. In high school once, honestly. And I feel like enjoy your high school. Honestly, I feel like I messed up on that. Like, I should have did way more things in high school. Even though I still have the time to, since I'm a junior. I was just like, dang, like, what I'm gonna do for Halloween. I do know what I'm doing for Halloween. But, let's hope those plans go through. You know what I'm saying? I hope they watch YouTube videos with that song, like, da 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 da. Everyone does their eyeshadow differently. Like, everyone does their eyeshadow really just differently. Eyebrows. I did not blend the concealer. I would just keep the concealer. And yeah, that's how I would do it. I would literally keep the concealer of my eyebrows because I thought I looked more clean. But little did you know, I look more dirty. So if y'all want to see my room, have a room tour once I redo it. I'm not painting it because I painted it twice already. First color I had this ugly blue. Like, I really thought that blue was really popping at first. Okay, let me cut my crease. I can't talk and cut my crease. Okay, I cut my crease. I look like this. Like you want to put something right there, you know? Black, because girl, you can always mess up, you know? So you want to just go in it real soft. Real soft. I'm going in with the glitter. Glitter. This glitter is, oh man, this glitter is bomb. Glitter glue. Put it on the back of my hand. Guys, so I finished the eyeshadow. Whatever, that's how it's starting to look. It's starting to all come together. So now I'm doing my face makeup. I'm ready for homecoming right now. I'm just like I don't know. I feel kind of left out, you know? These tickets prior to homecoming is naturally clear. Some people think otherwise. Some people think I don't have clear skin. Some people do. I think I have clear skin. Personally, I think I have clear skin. I like a lot of foundation, sorry. Women.
Found another jacket. Oops.
Oh.
Jacket or the sweater?
The sweater. You look like a mom with a jacket.
Ghetto Productions.
Everything that's on me. So just got my t-shirt. Yes. Thanks to mom. Yeah. Not her, but thanks to my mom. She got me the t-shirt. She always come through when no one else would.
Stop throwing shit.
Right now, we finna just get some food in here, like a beef, a hot dog or something. And yeah, that's what we finna do. That's what we finna do. That's what we finna do. What we finna do.
Open your third eye, use your higher mind to see beyond the reality we live in. You have no limits.
I can. I am. I can see it. I can see it.
You have no boundaries.
Where is it? I can see it on mine.
You humans have endless possibilities.
You don't want to record it anyway.
Welcome to the Indigo Crew. Trips that you paying for the next whole week. It's too long for the niggas so cheap. And you flex so deep, you sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Baby, I'm looking fine. Talking while you come around and now they styling. You know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing me modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah.
I wanna tell you how much we fucking love y'all, man. Y'all been rocking top to bottom of this motherfucker. I go by the name of Chris Breezy. And we hope y'all enjoyed yourselves tonight at the motherfucking Indigo Tour. Stay positive, love one another, and always be happy, man. Thank you so much.
Namaste and all that good stuff. Hope you have a good time. Hope your chakras are aligned. Now get the fuck out. I thank you.